Portainer is based on 4 pillars: application deployment, platform management, observability, and governance and security. Application deployment. With our simple application deployment form, you do not need to know how to write complex YAML files. The natural language questions and input validation technology ensures fail-safe deployments. The custom template feature allows for quick and reusable standardized deployments that can be performed by users with zero knowledge of containers. An option of Helm Charts installations is available using public or private Helm repositories. Code-based deployments can also be done via the Create from Manifest option with support for both YAML manifests or Docker Compose formats, with Git Integration and the lightweight GitOps feature. Platform management. With one single instance of Portainer, it is possible to manage any number of Docker standalone, Docker Swarm, Kubernetes, Azure ACI, or edge devices, be those on-prem, on the cloud, or on hybrid environments. Our kubectl shell allows direct access to Kubernetes clusters inside of Portainer. It can also act as a kubeconfig proxy for integration with third-party tools without having to expose the Kubernetes cluster API. Observability. From an observability perspective, the performance of applications and nodes can be monitored in real time, along with the ability to visualize and download application logs directly within Portainer. Governance and security. Portainer's powerful RBAC engine allows for easy user and team management across any environment within the platform. Dynamic assignment of resources on any given environment can be performed along with predefined roles that can also be assigned to both users and teams without having to write one single line of code. Finally, Portainer supports integration with the best-in-class authentication engines available today.